The world looks on as Jamaica is awarded Global Destination of the Year. This is a real big thing for Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. This is the place where we discuss issues of national importance, global importance, other situations that are buzzing in the news. When you look on Jamaica, the wonderful beaches, the culture, the food, the music, and also other things as it's pertaining to sports and how our athletes have done over the years, we have to be proud of our wonderful country. When you look on the resorts, the attractions, and just the love of the Jamaican people, and how a number of visitors have been coming to this country for a vacation for many years, this just goes to show you that Jamaica is a country to be reckoned with, and Jamaica is a cut above the rest. Recently, there was a publication in the United States warning travelers not to visit Jamaica. However, Jamaica has just been awarded the Global Destination of the Year, the renowned travel trade show, and this was held in Berlin. So the award was presented yesterday at the Pacific Era Travel Writers Association, and this is a non-profit international media organization of travel writers, and this was founded in 1999, and the award seeks to recognize organization, destination, brands, and individuals achieving the highest standard in their field. This is a really good look for Jamaica based on the recent travel advisory that was issued by the United States of America, urging its citizens not to visit the wonderful Caribbean island based on the high level of crime and also the infrastructure as it relates to healthcare. When you look as it relates to crime and violence is a global problem. And this is not isolated to Jamaica, it's a global problem in the United States as well. There is a higher level of crime rate in the United States, and I don't hear the authorities talking about that so much, but they are comparing the level of crime in Jamaica to the rest of the world. And when you look on this is not the real true effect of Jamaica. I'm not going to say that there's not problems in Jamaica, because problems are all around us. Each day crime is in the United States, crime is in Canada, crime is any country that you visit. There is crime and violence taking place. Some places might have it more than some might just have it a little bit. But despite that, it's there and it's likely to happen. So when the United States issued this travel advisory urging its citizens not to visit Jamaica, I believe that this was an intentional effort in order to tarnish the reputation of Jamaica wonderful and booming tourism product. When you look on the amount of visitors that are coming from different countries coming to Jamaica, Jamaica right now is just like the envy for the world. And Jamaica is a country that does keep on being talked about daily as it relates to the food, the music, the culture, the people, just different things, and the whole entire aesthetic of the Jamaican landscape. The warm sun, the reggae music, the scenic views from different locations across the country. Despite everything that is going on, Jamaica continues to be one of the top level tourist destinations for the world. For people to come and keep their weddings, for people to just come and just relax and unwind from the different aspects of their life, Jamaica is the place to be. So with this recent award that Jamaica achieved, I must say that I'm really proud of this actual award that Jamaica got, becoming the top level tourist destination, and I must say that this is a really good look for Jamaica. So in accepting the award on the behalf of the destination of Jamaica, the Minister of Tourism, and that's Jamaica's Tourism Minister, the Honorable Edmund Bartlett, said that Jamaica is known for its food, music, and indeed love. So we are humbled to be recognized for these experiential offerings to our visitors that provide meaningful memories. The award is among the most coveted recognitions where nominees are evaluated on various standards, with an extensive internal evaluation for each category. The Minister of Tourism participated in the 2024 staging of this event in Berlin, the world's largest travel trade show, with 20,000 participants expected this year, and this happened in Berlin. So this is a really good look for Jamaica, with Jamaica becoming one of the top level tourist destinations and continues to be this premier love for the world. We must say that Jamaica is a cut above the rest. Last year, the island of Jamaica was named Caribbean Best Culinary Destination as well at the World Culinary Award in the same year. Jamaica won 33 travel awards. Chief among them was being the Caribbean's leading destination. So this is just one of those many things that Jamaica continues to do to sell the product of Jamaica out there to the world. So despite the negative publicity that Jamaica is getting at this point in time, Jamaica still continues to be one of the most loved country in the world that visitors travel to all over the world in order to experience and be a part of the culture, the music, the love, and the scenic view of the Jamaican landscape, which many people have forever been captivated in their mind. Some people have not visited yet. It's on the agenda. Don't stop. Come and visit, experience Jamaica for yourself, and don't listen to the negative publicity that is going on out there, because in even your own country, crime is there and crime is everywhere. But you just have to take the necessary precautionary measure in order to protect yourself, just like when you're in your own country. So this award falls on the heels of the phenomenal arrivals and earning for the Caribbean island of Jamaica last year. The destination welcomed over 4 million international visitors to the island and earned over US $4.2 billion. The Jamaican Tourist Board, founded in 1955, is Jamaica's national tourism agency based in the capital of Kingston, Jamaica. Jamaica tourist offices are also located in Montego Bay, Miami, Toronto, and Germany and London. Representative offices are also located in Berlin, Spain, Italy, Mumbai, and Tokyo. In 2022, the Jamaica Tourist Board was declared the world leading cruise ship destination, world leading family destination, and world leading wedding destination by the World Travel Award, which also named the Caribbean leading tourist board for 15 consecutive year and the Caribbean leading destination for the 17th consecutive year, as well as the Caribbean leading nature destination and the Caribbean Best Adventure Tourism Destination. In addition, Jamaica earned 7 awards in the prestigious gold and silver categories at the 2022 trade show as well, for Best Wedding Destination, Best Destination, Caribbean Best Culinary Destination, the Caribbean Best Tourism Board, the Caribbean Best Travel Agent Academy Program, Best Cruise Ship Destination, Caribbean and Wedding Destination, and also many more awards. Jamaica is home to some of the world's best accommodations, attractions, and service providers that continue to receive prominent global recognition. So when we hear all these things about Jamaica and how Jamaica is impacting the world with our music, sports, culture, food, just the whole entire package, why wouldn't you not want to visit Jamaica? Despite the negative publicity that is going on, I must say that is just an iceberg in order to stop people from coming to Jamaica. Move around that iceberg, come and experience Jamaica for yourself. Jamaica is a beautiful country, and I can assure you that when you do visit Jamaica, you will have the time of your life. You will want to come back and enjoy it over and over again. It's like you'll get addicted to the whole entire scenery of Jamaica, the food, everything is just something that will captivate your whole entire mind. So I just hope that you continue to just support Jamaica, support the culture, support the music, and just enjoy life in general. And where better to do this than in Jamaica. This is where I'm going to close this video though. This is where I sign out for this one. Links 007 TV, let's talk. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Please do so. Subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.